Hey guys, how you doing? Rob with RobThomasDayTrader. Coming a little bit early today just to check out the markets. It's about 8:30, 8:40. Pre-market hours. I got up a little bit earlier than normal today, so I figured I'd just kind of show you guys what some of the pre-market looks like. So if you're coming in before regular market hours, make sure you switch down to your pre-market set, not really setting, but just scanner. Let's just kind of look and see what's going on. Look at the news. Back on, so we can just kind of get an eye on the news while we're looking. I don't get super concerned with that, but it's still good to kind of know. And we'll just take a look and see what some of these runners are doing. Like this one moved up 90% already. What's the news on this one? Positive. GameStop rockets on their strong Q3 profits. This one's looking nice. How far does this one move today? 70%. Neutral. This one looks good. See, this one created a high. I like to show you while it's not super busy right here. This one created, this is my basic strategy, just so you guys can know what I look for. Created a high, pull back, come up, broke the high. Now a lot of times if you've watched any of my day trading videos, I've only got a few. I sometimes trade a little impulsively. You can trade while still going up, or you can wait for it to close. Close is a little more conservative. The only things to watch out for is if your candle, your breakout candle is up 70-80%, obviously it's probably not going to be a great buy because most people are going to be selling off from that. This one looks like it could be a decent little buy. I may do a pre-market buy today, just a very small one, just to kind of show you. You do have to do a limit order during pre-market. You can't do market orders. You're not going to have an automatic stop loss to take profit, so you have to do things. Either put a limit sell order, which sometimes doesn't work that great in the pre-market. You have to make sure it's set up to aftermarket trading, or you can just manually close it. That's what I normally do. Pre-market isn't super crazy as far as super fast moves. But you know what, guys? I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I think I'm just going to go ahead and trade this stock. 400. See, yet time on forces day. I don't know why. I forgot. Okay, I just remembered. I have to change my scale on my computer. I'm not using monitor display. I'm using my TV to day trade, and so my display scale is way off. Alright, so let's get this reset back up. Weeble's really easy. You can just move it. Click on it and then you drag it around. The widgets. We'll just drag that one in there. Just make sure when you add a new widget, you link it to the rest of your charts. So you see the little blue here. So let me remember how to do it. what number am I on the new one. That way when you click on it, it automatically goes to your trade. So if you were trading at daytime, and of course J, stop loss, take loss, not going to matter. That's not going to click on there. Until cancel. Somewhere there's a pre-market thing. This is way too high. Let's pull that down. Alright, this is getting to about a point where I think I want to just go ahead and buy it. I'm not sure if it's going to let me buy. Stop loss price, yeah. I'm not going to care really. Let's just not care about the stop loss. Let's just do a half on this. Give me some message about. A lot of times people give you different messages for different types of stocks about buying power and what you can get into. So we'll just do a half on this, half of our account, since this is a pre-market trade. And that's not going to work. That's probably why, because we probably had market order click. I forgot, if you switch to something, if you change market, I'll look around here, and then you switch, it's going to go back to your preset. So we're 100% in on this trade. Doing a little bit different today. A little recap for the week. 3 red days so far, 1 green day. Today is Friday, last of the week. We went down 50, started with $500, $500.72. Let me see, guys, because it looks like, I don't even know if I'm recording. I don't know, guys. Looks like my video's not recording. I'll tell you what I'm going to do, guys. I am going to stop this video and then restart it. So I'll just edit it. Alright, guys, I'm back. I guess it was recording, right? We'll just merge these two together. So we are in this trade. I'm just going to show. Alright, this will just be like the max areas where I want my stop to be. And then since I'm in pre-market and we have a ways to go, we got 40 minutes before the regular market opens. I'll just keep it a big screen right here. Now there's really not a lot of point of just sitting here watching this go because not a lot's going to happen for a little bit. So in the interest of not having a 4-hour video today, I'm just going to stop it. For you it'll just be a second and we'll come back and see how this trade progresses. Right now we're a little bit under, not orders, not positions. Okay, so be back in just a second, guys. We'll see how we look when we get closer to market open. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, so just checking back in. I just noticed I'm on a 1 hour candle. This is one thing you might want to make sure when you come in, guys, you're on your right candle time frames. But it's fine though, right? So let me, because this trade is actually kicking in pretty good. Let's go back to the 5-minute chart. So let's take these off because we're way on a different time frame. I was wondering why that candle wasn't moving. Alright, so now this still lines up with our rules, right? Created high here, entered here. It just changes like the way it's set up. I mean, technically, honestly, I guess you might as well just stay on that. Since we're in maybe because I was in pre-market. But let's just do our targets, right? So I can see. What we want to get. We're in profit right now, about $20. So this is 20% gain right here. Sorry, my scale is low, barely see. Alright, 20% right there. If we could get back up to that by the market open, that would definitely put us in a break even there for the week. Alright guys, so we'll just take a break and we'll come back when we get closer to market open. Thanks guys. Alright guys, about 20 minutes to pre-market, a little bit like 17 minutes to market open. The stock is kind of up and down, it looks like it's going to come back down and retest this VWAP and 21 EMA. So still not much going on with this yet, so we'll come back at market open guys. See you in a minute. Alright guys, I just wanted to jump back in here for a sec. The market has opened. You can see I went down quite a bit on this. We're bouncing off of this support level, which was resistance. Hopefully it'll become a support level and shoot back up. This one's going to take a little bit of time guys. So for right now we're down 30 bucks. Not a big deal. We'll see as the day progresses. I'll catch you in a few guys. Alright guys, I'm back from hard day's work and lost this trade. I actually closed it probably about here. I put in a close order and I probably got filled on here because I saw that it was $100 down, so I just closed it on the mobile app. So this week is a bust, fellas, guys, girls, anybody that's watching, got one viewer that checking out this video. Okay, so we're down to, that doesn't seem right, 416, 180. Not sure why my, okay, 320. I was gonna say, we're down $180 for the week, which wouldn't be that bad if we weren't riding not on a $500 account. So let's take a look here. 36% for the week. That's not good, guys. I did play pretty fast and loose, pretty aggressive this week, just because I have a small account and I'm not super worried about it. But to show you guys, day trade is not easy. You can't just jump in here and just pick trades randomly and hope to make money. Sometimes you can. It's not going to be super easy though. So let's look. 4 red days, 1 green day. $180 down for the week. Oh, alright. So, what's my game plan, guys? I guess, definitely for this week. This week's over. Let's just look through and see how many trades, like, popped up. Nothing really popped up great today. So, no matter what we did, we would have. This one did, though, huh? What did this trade do? If we would have taken. It's made a high. Oh, this doesn't 100% terrible. 16%. Best trade so far of the day. This one, could have taken this one. 14%, but that doesn't roll. So guys, what's the game plan for me, right? What I think, I'm going to have to reset, think about, at least, you know, I did learn some lessons this week. Not really lessons, but things I already know. I just don't stick with it. First day I overtraded. And then kind of impulsively traded the rest of the week. Not really following any kind of reward pattern. Just kind of trading whatever I felt like was going to do good. Which is not the best way to trade. So Monday, my plan, probably going to put $80 back in just to get up to $400. So we can start next week with $400. And try to work on next week. At least, this is the thing. If you do have a week where you lost, just think about it, try to get better next week. So next week, focus on taking more planned entries, being a little more patient, looking for some good entries. I'm probably still going to stay with the one trade 100% until I get back up. I may not put any money in, I may just, at this point, might as well just keep trading until I either lose the whole $500 or start to make some steady gains. Anyway guys, that's it for today. I'm going to do a weekly recap video. If you want to check that out. You can definitely go back and rewatch all my trading days to see some of the mistakes I made. You can check out day 3, I believe is where I did have my good winner. That's where I followed my rules a little bit better. So, I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to do a weekly review video, and then we'll start fresh next week, guys. Alright, see you in the next one, guys.